Hi amazing hackers, welcome back to the another episode of HackTheMatrix. So in this video we are going to solve that basic SSRF lab on the PortSwigger. So this lab has a stock check feature which fetch data from an internal system, and to solve that lab you need to change this stock check URL to access the admin interface and delete the Carlos user. So we have simple thing, we have only a stock check feature and we have some product in our website, and uh, we are going to delete the Carlos user by accessing the admin panel. So click on the access the lab and you will see the kinds of products have in our website, and after that click anyone to view the details, and we have this product, and scroll down and you will see the check stock option in below, and click on the check stock option and capture in word proxy tool and filter that request product stock and send it to repeated. After that you will see the product stock, and below stock API which are fetching some URL like this URL, and for the solve that lab you need to change that URL to access the admin panel. So before send it, and you will see the that much stock we have left in our database, and again select it and change this URL to admin localhost and admin, and click on apply changes and click on send, and you will see the 200 OK response. After that click on render and you will see there we have two users like Viner and Carlos. So click on right click, after that click on show response in browser and copy that URL. After that open here and you will see we have successfully accessed the admin panel, and you have only need to delete the Carlos user from the admin panel. So click here and you can see this admin interface only available if you are logged. So we have not logged in admin panel, so refresh that page and don't get anything. Again go in but and go in raw data. After that search here Carlos and you can see there we have admin delete and username Carlos. So select that URL, complete. After that select again this and click on the intercept and paste here, and you can see the localhost admin, put here and click on apply changes. After that click to send it, and you got 302 found and location admin, and after that you need to click on follow redirect and see we have got 401 unauthorized access, but you need to verify the Carlos is deleted or not. So you need to go back again and click to send it again. After that render it and you will see the Carlos user has been successfully deleted. So thanks for watching, I hope you understand.